Well then, hello, I have been busy recently. Well, work in general as such, but also messing around with stuff to 3D print. You can probably hear the dulcet tone or the low whine of a 3D printer in the background. That's the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro printing off some Gridfinity stuff for me. Which is a fantastic segue, as if I planned it, into this. So this is a screwdriver holder. So I've got one of those generic Amazon, loads of bits to it, precision screwdriver sets. They're about 5 to 10 quid depending on how cheap you want to go. I went cheap. It comes in a lovely plastic case, but that plastic case is just meh. I wanted to do something a bit cooler with it, so I got the basic measurements, so how big the screwdrivers are, how big the bits are, slightly adapted them because of tolerances, that sort of thing, and I made this. This is the screwdriver holder, version 2 roughly. There's been a few versions before this because it all went a bit wrong. Tolerances. Hey, oh well. So you will see there are 2 sections here for the screwdriver and any other little screwdriver bits I have to go into. That's just there. 2 bits standing out there. Double barrel. You'll see there are hexagonal sockets for the bits to go into. The bits measure approximately 4mm. That's from the flat edge of each hexagon. Instead, I've gone for 5mm for these holes, so I'd rather have them a little bit wobbly but secure in there than have them really tight and not being able to get them out, basically, because that would be a problem. I've then got this weird little bit here, a little bit of a slope. In Lego terms, that'd be a cheese slope. That's there for when I'm taking stuff apart. I need to chuck some screws somewhere, put them in there. Done and dusted. I've got this space to use up, so I may as well use it. And I've got another channel at the back here for an extended bit that comes with a screwdriver. I can just chuck in there if I don't want to put it in the top bit sticking out. Or there's a flexible shaft that comes with it. I can put it in there. Not that I've ever used it. So, there we have it. And it is Gridfinity. It's 2x3. And I've done my best to carry on the specification of Gridfinity all the way up. So there should be a 7.5 degree round, like a bevel to the edge here, rounded edge. Not perfect, you can see a little black line just there. There you go. I'll accept that really, because it's about what, millimetre at the most. It's nothing. So, how long does it take to print? Let's have a look. So I've got now, because I'm in OBS, I go to the demo section, and there we have Prusa Slicer version 2.6 Alpha 6. I've been using Prusa for both my printers. I've got an Ender 2 Pro and the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. Brilliant slicer, I like it. I prefer it to Cura, don't get me wrong. Cura's done me proud, but I just like how this works. It works for me. And we can see in the bottom right it says it's going to take 8 hours 26 minutes to to print this. And that's at draft setting 0.28 before 0.4mm nozzle. Not a short print, but should be fun. So I'm not going to print this today, so I've got stuff to do. That means I'm out of the house. So I'm going to do this tomorrow when I've got loads of time. And I'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's it. See you later.